Hello and a very warm welcome to another episode at TT Energy World. I'm Manchu Tiwari and we are joining you from the India Energy Week. And right now, we are joined by Moloy Banerjee, who is the President of ASEAN and South Asia at Linde. Sir, thank you so much for joining us for this conversation. And starting with, while you have set up your booth here at IEW 2026, talk to us about what major things are you spotlighting this year?
So first of all, thanks for having me in your program.
Yeah.
Linde plays a major part in the greening of energy. When you look at renewable energy in India, the renewable energy in India is already at an economically and commercially viable price point already.
Yeah.
The challenge is to convert the green electrons into green molecules. And that's where Linde comes in enabling the transition.
All right. Now, talking about that energy transition, talk to us about how your business growth is aligned to India's, energy transition goals, which perhaps the Prime Minister also spoke about.
So if you look at our investment plans for India, we have about more than $1 billion of investment that we want to do in India over the next 3 to 5 years. And at least 50% of that is what we expect that we will put through into this energy space.
All right. So how are you prepared to support India's coal gasification as well? Because that's your core strength as well, right?
Oh, absolutely. So coal gasification is something that's very important in today's context in terms of India's desire to bring in energy security. That's one of the pathways to get more domestic anchored energy in the country.
Yeah.
And what Linde enables is really coal gasification is enabled by 2 or 3 primary things. One is it's a very oxygen intensive process.
Okay.
And Linde is providing the oxygen block for coal gasifications. Secondly, after the gasification, the main thing to be done is essentially to clean the syngas and make it usable. And that's where again Linde has very commercially proven technologies that we deploy, particularly the Rectisol technology that Linde has. That is used globally world over, and more than 90% of the coal gasification projects across the world, they all use Linde's Rectisol technology. And that's where we bring this. So the AC block, the downstream gas cleaning processes is what Linde brings to the table. And we feel that this is something that's unique. And this is what we are very excited about as India steps into the coal gasification.
All right. So the numbers sound great when it comes to what you bring to the table for India's coal gasification. Before we end this conversation, sir, while all the stakeholders, the investors, the policymakers and everyone, the delegates, visitors, they are walking through the aisles of IEW 2026, what is that one message you want to leave them with about your company?
So the one message that I really want to leave about Linde is that Linde is the bridge between clean electrons and clean molecules. We provide that, enable that transition from renewable energy into clean molecules that will power our industry. And that's where Linde comes in.
All right, so that's where we end our conversation. Well, thank you so much for being a part of this conversation. And to our viewers, stay tuned for many, many more such conversations only at ET Energy World as we are joining you from IEW 2026.